Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel printing. Previous version, previous unit, margin, origin, paper sizes, print area, print titles, grid lines, headings, printing. So likewise, file print, file print, file print. So you click the print. So what printer type, what printer model installed to your system. So you select on here the printer name. Example, Canon or HP with different numbers. So what printer installed on your system? So you have to select this one through this. So after that, number of copies, same as the photocopy, number of copies you can increase or decrease that. Number of copies. So the print properties, printer properties. So you can select the printer properties through this one. So click on here. So then advanced. So the letter size or paper sizes, whatever, say you can select from here. So the printer settings, print settings. Say print active sheet or entire workbook or print selection. So you can select from here. So the pages 1 to 5. Example 1 to 5. First page 2 for 1 to 10. So likewise, the 10 pages you can print. So the portrait and landscape, so you can select from here the sizes, paper sizes, normal margin sizes already done. So the scaling, increase or decrease the actual size, setup. So you click on here, the page setup. Previous units, so we done this part. So then after that, click on print. So you can take the print out. So print to PDF. So then after that, so you click on here. So then save the file as a PDF file. So the PDF document. So the file extension. So just example. So you give book 1. So .pdf. So the under the documents, goes to under the documents, this file, say then save. Saving as a PDF file. So now say click on here, File Explorer. So then select this one. So here this one, book PDF file. So you click double time. You can open on the Google Chrome. Select my system, Google Chrome. Read only file, PDF file, read only file. So this one has a PDF file. For the printing or whatever, you can take this one, say no editing functions, right? Just read only file, PDF file. So now close this one. So then close this also. Say now, so after this one, say you practice this. So later, meet on next unit.